Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about how to direct install Delta Executor for iOS. Now, the one thing you want to do for this one is, of course, trust websites only. So go to your Safari right there, and this is going to be the website that you should be looking for. Delta iOS slash or dash executor.com should be looking like this one right here. And now, simply click on direct install. It will ask you to complete a series of tasks. For example, closing some tabs, watching some applications or advertisements for twice, I think 3 times, and basically, you're gonna get a prompt wherein you can directly install this executor. Once installed, you want to go to your settings directly, go to general. Let me just go back here. Give me a second. So basically looking for general after successfully installing it. Click general right there, look for VPN and device management. In here you will find the one you're looking for, Delta Executor version 2.666. Basically, enable it and you'll be good to go. And then open up Roblox and have fun with it. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.